Asim Joshi from 9th B. First of all, happy Guru Purnima to all my gurus, my teachers who taught me something or the other. It's not only about subject teaching, but it is about sharing their knowledge or a skill for carving a better structure of me and my well being. So today, I am going to take this opportunity to thank my gurus who taught me a life skill which I would never forget. All over the universe, parents are our first gurus. My mom's acting, mimicry, and the way of reciting poems is what I like the most, and I feel I have inherited it unknowingly. My dad's dedication towards his work, patience, and tolerance are the virtues I want to inculcate in me. After them, the next most important gurus are my grandparents. My granny teaches unconditional love, sacrifice, and most importantly, to have a smile on your face in any situation and to face it like a warrior by being a role model to me. My grandfather was a different person, very particular about his work. He always had a fixed schedule of the day in his mind. He was organized, planned, and a punctual person. And in Vijay Vallabh school, I feel as if I have entered a great Gurukul. It is said in Eknathi Bhagwat, जो जो जयाचा घेतला गुण तो गुरुम्या केला जाण गुरुसी आले अपारपण जग संपूर्ण गुरु दिसे. By this it means that you should learn from everyone, and from whomsoever you learn is your guru. I have learned so many things from each and every guru. Jyoti ma'am encouraged inquisitive mind and also taught to explore. When it comes to consistency, particularness, and curiosity, there should be a role of discipline which came in me because of Abhijit sir. Suchitra ma'am's encouraging words act like a booster to me. Vimal ma'am emphasized the importance of accuracy in life through maths. And Sachin sir boosted the creative mind. I am yet trying to learn the art of remaining calm and being loving to all from Fozia ma'am. And can't forget the discipline Kiara ma'am tried to teach us through her teaching. Nasreen ma'am's classes were fun and enriching at the same time, while Snehal ma'am's knowledge of anecdotes used to astonish me. And Khalde sir's unique style of teaching is absolutely impressive. Dipali ma'am's efforts to give us something more than the textbooks are outstanding, while Sujata ma'am's connection with the students and concern is really touching. Pragati ma'am's humor makes her classes interesting, while Deepjyoti ma'am's fun and learn teaching method encourages one to learn. Darji sir ignited the will to win through volleyball coaching, while Mahesh sir's intense knowledge in computer science is influential. I am grateful to Mansi ma'am who gave me a lifetime opportunity by selecting me in Indo-Brazil project. I really want to express my gratitude to all my gurus as they have instilled in me the knowledge beyond the books and let me explore by breaking the walls of the classroom. And so, I really want to thank all of them by reciting a shlok. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thanks to all my gurus for the strong faith in us and for all the attributes you taught and inculcated in us. Wishing you all a happy Guru Purnima.